kote bembirwa maramuzigonza gambaranga ubone baherize bail kandi banyakwatwa bemerwirwe na miliyoni 5 zitari z'uburuho dera bema nabo miliyoni 7 na zitari z'uburuho.
F3, F4, A2 and A8 are of advanced age. In addition, each of the accused persons has responsibilities in the community. Based on the above reasons, I grant bail to each of the accused persons on the following conditions. The accused persons shall attend court without fail, or one of the sureties should be in court to explain that accused person's absence. The accused persons shall not engage in criminality while on bail. F4, who presented one witness, is hereby released on bail on the above conditions on grounds of advanced age, but she should present her second surety tomorrow.
Abantu bijagaruka mu kota habera 31 byo kwezi kwa mushanju mwaka ogu kandi aba bakakwatwa ba State House and Corruption Unit nshuminche huire omugani makuru MP wa Rushenyi County Honorable Naomi Kabashara simira ba State House and Corruption Unit ahubwo kurwana sengo zo muri ntungamo
ahubwo kuba bizere bashangezo kubashanjereho abakozi gushanga abakozi bari binji barukira amarwa ikintu kirinji tuyambaho abo bahati corruption nk'icendire corruption y'ikitine ya district ayine ryo yanga umuyanga ryo nangwe aho and all parliament that she personally paid her money to facilitate no kugamba tutinde mu parliament abuko kojo mu parliament nimwe bashuma
ebyabigambiro gwabira ryo mu rukika Las Vegas Hotel mu Kampala gwabire nabugana habatura ku rwo mu Rushenyi bita barukuturo mu Kampala okubanjura binte byakozere kwihaba MP hamwe n'ebye byayorekerire kora
ati nkamezi twatuye tukora amezi kurgawire konka sente zikagarikireyo ziri hino garikayo murundo umwe ziri garikayo kwa kabiri so tukozereho fezemu amezi kandi umurushenyi ekizibu kitwine munonga n'amezi
boba mu mbatura bahiciro mu rukiko basimire MP wabahabwe ntunguke yakozere
izoba twahora twashemerwa munonga bwa report itumagaraga Rushenyi tukatungaho chanceji mu MP atwete atugambire ngo akozere teno kushara mwaho kuza kwetsimba teno kushara mwe kuza gukorwa kureka tujye dushabe mukono twatana
ebinte byabasize kora harimo by'amashanyarazi ebyo bwegese hamwe n'ibindi byinshi amakora agagasha kwa Dan Basibye na Jime Muhumza.